back to Charisco Crypto. Let me start again. So welcome back to Charisco Crypto, guys. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. So let's see what is happening in the crazy world of crypto. The crypto market, as I was saying, so the crypto market, so it's still holding strong. So Bitcoin is the market is slightly down, more than expected. So Bitcoin is still trading above $93,000. So we show that the market is still holding strong. So there's a lot of things going around the market. The crypto market is still holding strong. Bitcoin is still trading above $93,000. Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of Strategy, just added another Bitcoin, almost about $2,000, 2,000 Bitcoin. So what about millions upon millions of Bitcoin? So which we'll be looking into, and this altcoin, which is this meme coin that just popped up. According to Elon Musk, he changed his Twitter profile to this meme coin that just boomed up. So which we will also be looking into that. So not just that, even if the President Trump dinner, which is coming, so is still on track. So those are the things which we'll be looking into. So guys, the crypto adoption is still going wide. As you can see, the market is holding strong. So as you guys can see, but it stayed flat, but we are still holding strong. So we may dip back down slightly below this. You don't have to be scared. As I always say, whenever the market is down like this, you have to take it as an opportunity to keep using DCA, dollar cost average, into your portfolio. Guys, I did not forget the airdrop, which is the giveaway, which I said I will be sending to you guys. So we'll be discussing that on this channel. It's just because I haven't had chance over the past few days. So I will be telling you guys what we'll be doing. So what will be coming next, guys? It will surprise you guys. So it will be just giving you guys once, let's say, this little thing. So we will be planning it at the end of this stream. So at least, so how we have to invest $1,000 to give you guys at least, so make it, turn it to at least about 5x to like $5,000 to give to you guys. So guys, we'll be looking into that. So quickly, you guys can see that the market is holding strong, so it's still not bad as always. So guys, let's quickly look into the market. This is a Michael Saylor MicroStrategies tracker. So yesterday when I saw this, there was nothing much going on in the market yesterday apart from this Saylor tweeted this out. I wanted to stream yesterday. I found out that nothing much is going on in the market. I said, okay, so let's just leave the stream for today. So which is Monday. So let's see how the market is going. So there's not much volume in the market scene. So Michael Saylor tweeted this out yesterday. This is a MicroStrategies tracker. As you guys can see, Saylor, as of yesterday, was holding about 52.87 billion US dollars in Bitcoin. So each time Saylor tweet this out, you know that Michael Saylor, they will be buying. Guess what? So just a few hours ago, Michael Saylor tweeted this out about 5 hours ago. MicroStrategy has acquired an additional of about 1,895 Bitcoin. What about 180 million US dollars? This is what I'm saying. So each time a seller tweet this out, they always buy more Bitcoin. So this is why we'll be looking into the adoption, the Bitcoin and crypto adoption. So don't think that, don't even look the price. So what it means for the price, this buy that the big boys, they keep buying, what it means for the price. Yeah, guys, how are you all doing? So if you have any question, drop it on the chat. Keep the chat going. Invite your friends and family so they to tune in, so they keep learning about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It seems like most of the people who always tune in, so they always tune in at the end of the month because of the giveaway, which is not always like that, guys. Yes, so here in the crypto space, what I'm here to build is that I want us to have a community, people who want to liberate themselves from this fiat world. People who want to really achieve a financial freedom, not a financial advice. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. So this is what I've been working for me in the crypto space over the past few years. So I want people who want to liberate themselves from this. Who want to liberate themselves from this fiat world that is been bringing our buy power down over the past few that is been bringing about buy power that over the past few years. And you guys can see as of today, MicroStrategy are now holding about 555,000 Bitcoin, 555,450 Bitcoin. What as you guys can see, as of yesterday, the total Bitcoin that was holding what about almost about 3 billion. They are now holding about 3 billion plus in Bitcoin. So we show that the big boys, they keep buying more Bitcoin every single day. They keep adding more Bitcoin and cryptocurrency to their portfolio. That is because they realize that Bitcoin is that asset that hedge against inflation. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So all you just need to do is to keep using this. This take us to here. So guys, as you guys can see, I know most of you guys always ask that Bitcoin, even if when those big boys are buying, like for example, Michael Saylor, they just added about $180 million in Bitcoin, but it's still not moving the price. So that is because those big boys, they are using OTC. So you can see it over here on this headline. As of today, Coinbase quietly hold about 2.7 million, not $2.7 million, $2.7 million Bitcoin. So which was almost about, as you guys can see, approximately of almost about $261 billion in Bitcoin. So that is because people like Coinbase, they know that Bitcoin is here to stay. Few years ago, when Bitcoin was trading low, when Bitcoin was trading between $1, $1,000, when Bitcoin was trading between $100, when Bitcoin was trading between $10,000, those big boys, they keep accumulating. So Brian Armstrong, which is the CEO of Coinbase, the founder and the CEO of Coinbase, so he is a smart guy. So he know that Bitcoin is here to stay. So back then, when people were scared about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, so Michael Saylor, Brian Armstrong, they was buying. So as of today, Brian Armstrong, they still hold between about 2.7 million in Bitcoin in their holding, which they are managing. So Bitcoin under their management is still worth about $261 billion. So people like them, Saylor, when they want to buy, they buy from Coinbase. So they call people like Coinbase, I need $1 billion in Bitcoin. You can see they still hold about $261 billion in Bitcoin. So which that is almost about 8% in total Bitcoin supply. So that is almost about 8 to 9% in the total supply of Bitcoin. So which is crazy. So people like Coinbase, they still hold a huge amount of Bitcoin like this. So if a seller want to buy, what he does is that he calls Coinbase, I need $1 billion in Bitcoin. They may even give him some discount at least. So he will not pay fee. What they do is that Coinbase transfer this money into their wallet. They transfer this Bitcoin into their wallet. So Michael Saylor transferred the money into his bank account. Simple. So that is why it still does not move the market. So if you are asking, so why would they buy from open market so that it will affect the price? They don't even want the price to go up. That is for sure. So that is because people like Saylor, which is which is behind the company strategy, which they keep buying. So they don't even want it to go up in price because they want to accumulate more Bitcoin. Yeah, Reben, how are you doing, Sita Treka? So, how are you all doing? Miraculous favor. Guys, I'm good. Keep smashing the like, guys. Keep smashing the like. Share the stream with your friends and family so they learn about Bitcoin. So, as always, so I did not forget as I said at the beginning, so I did not forget the giveaway, which is the meme coin, which I said I will be sending to you guys. But after this one, so we'll be doing something different. So I want to invest in some protocol so that when those protocol finally grow, I want to take between $1,000 and invest it in a protocol to swap it at least to turn it to between about 4 to 5x. That is between about $4,000 to $5,000. So we'll be able to use it to change people who always tune in every single time. We use it to change their life. Not for example, some people always tune in because of the giveaway. No, I'm not here, for example. I'm not here to just, for example, for people to just view because they want to, to get something. No, so guys, I want people who want to. If you look, I'm not giving headlines just for people to view the stream. No, so We want people to view the stream, but not just for people to view the stream, but people who want to liberate themselves from the financial, from the people who want to liberate themselves from the fiat system into decentralized system. So we all know that Bitcoin and crypto is here to create a decentralized world. So if a world of freedom, a life of freedom. So guys, you guys can see the big boys, they keep hold a huge amount of Bitcoin. So don't be scared whenever people sell into the open market. It would, for sure, most of the people, when they want to sell, they will sell in the open market. So it will bring the market down. And but when the big boys want to buy, they buy using OTC. So, but don't forget, whenever one day when the OTC market finally dry off, that is when Bitcoin will skyrocket. So we only have about 2.7 million Bitcoin in the which Coinbase are still holding as of today. But don't forget, so this 2.7 million Bitcoin is nothing. So compared to, we already have 58 million millionaire on this planet. If each millionaire were to get one Bitcoin, so it will be even be enough for them to get one Bitcoin, which we all know that Bitcoin has a mass supply of 21 million. So quickly, let's dive into this. So guys, the Trump, this thing, the Trump dinner is coming. So this is from official Trump account. A second, let me turn on this thing, guys. The weather here is going crazy. So guys, this is from official Trump account. So Trump tweeted this out about a few hours ago. So you can see it over here, the Trump's gala dinner. So the Trump gala dinner is coming. So which is on the 22nd of this of May. Yeah. So on the 22nd of May, he said on the 22nd of May. So if you are the top 220 holder of Trump meme coin, so you guys can see this is from the official Trump account. So he tweeted it out about a few hours ago that you will be joining him on dinner. So which is crazy. Imagine, so this is the decentralization of cryptocurrency. For just holding some one meme coin, so you will be opportunity to meet President Trump for holding his meme coin in the next few weeks, which is crazy. So if you are holding at least a huge amount of Trump meme coin, you are on the top 220, you will be opportunity to have a dinner with President Trump in the next few weeks, which is fantastic. So quickly, this takes us to this other headline over here. This is the author of Rich Dad and Poor Dad, which is Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki said that I trusted Bitcoin to protect me. For sure. So he trusted Bitcoin to protect him. We all know that Robert Kiyosaki is one of the best investor over the past few years. Been one of the best and greatest investor over the past few years. So has been investing in gold and silver. So so from there he realized that Bitcoin is the digital gold. So Bitcoin is here to create freedom. So the decentralization which Bitcoin is here to create. So that is why he has been investing over the past few years. He has been investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum. He also admit that he hold Ethereum too. So which is fantastic. So he trusted Bitcoin to protect him. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. This is the one asset that has a mass supply of 21 million just between a decade. So Bitcoin is still up with a millions upon millions of percent. So I do, just like as I always say, so if you are scared right now, that means you are just coming into the crypto space. The Bitcoin and crypto adoption is still going wide. Even if when the sentiment is still dropping down, like for example, let's quickly head up here. So if you look like about last week, so the sentiment was between 54. So the fear and greediness. Let's quickly see. You can see as of today, the fear and greediness is between 49. So even if the Bitcoin dominance too, the Bitcoin dominance is still holding strong. It's still holding a huge percentage of the market. So Bitcoin dominance, as you guys can see, is still holding between almost about 64% of the market, which show that the most money that is coming into the crypto space right now, they are going into Bitcoin. So, guys, as always, smash the like and press the subscribe button. As you guys can see, every single day I'm here. If you are watching me from SAKA Twitter, every single day I'm here to encourage you guys to keep, to keep DCA, to keep buying, to keep, to keep accumulating the strong coin, so that each time the market start booming back up, you will be able to achieve a financial freedom. If you are watching from SAKA Twitter, this is you guys can see it over here. So watch you on my profile, so you can see it over here, this website, which is charisco.com. Once you click on it, once you click on charisco.com, it will take you to this website over here. So which you will see the channel, which is a YouTube and a S, followed by Instagram and Facebook. So all you just need to do is for you to click on the YouTube. Automatically, as you guys can see, we take you to the YouTube channel. So which, as you guys can see it over here. So this is the channel. So every single day I do live stream to encourage you guys to keep buying, to keep DCA into your portfolio. So guys, this takes us to the other headline over here. So breaking news, Elon Musk changing his profile picture on X to price on this altcoin skyrocketed. So let's say between yesterday, what happened is that Elon, which is the CEO of Tesla, he changed Elon changed his X profile picture to Grok. So, and Grok skyrocketed to almost about 100 million market cap. As you guys can see it over here, this was yesterday. So when Elon changed his S profile account, as you guys can see, boom, it head up to like about 100 million market cap. So which was between almost about 10 cents per coin. So that was almost about 100 million market cap, which is Grok, as you guys can see. Now it's slightly down. It's still holding a market cap of about 55 million market cap. So this is the power of meme coin for you. So just for Elon Musk to change his S profile account, S profile picture to Grok, boom, people start buying. It head up to like almost about 100 million market cap. Now it's slightly down, as you guys can see. Slightly down, let's say it's almost in between about 50%, but it's still holding strong. So if you was opportunity to buy when it was here, so good luck. So to you, so congratulations. So, but I miss out because I did buy this meme coin. You guys know. So most of the meme coins, let's say for example, if you are not early, so they usually drop on you. Imagine if you bought yesterday when it was trading between that 100 million market cap. Boom! Now it's down with almost about 50%. So let's quickly see this over here. Experts say when a bank start using SRP, so SRP will head up to like a 500 to 1,000 per coin. So guys, if you do agree that SRP will be heading up to like about 500 to $1,000 per coin, let me know on the chat. To me, I don't think for SRP to head over to like about 500 to $1,000 per coin, that means it has to hold even if the total, even if more than a market cap of gold as of today, which is over about 22 trillion market cap, we all know that even if Bitcoin is holding between about almost less about 1.7 trillion market cap. So that means is it possible now? It may be possible in the next 50 years, but now it's impossible. So I think so, because even if banks start using SRP, but don't forget, to me, they will keep putting their money in Bitcoin as one of the top cryptocurrency. So that is because you guys can see, as of today, the 90% of the money that is coming into the crypto space are going into Bitcoin. That is why the Bitcoin dominance is still skyrocketing. It's still going up every single day. You guys can see just about a few weeks ago was deep below 60%. So Bitcoin dominance was holding about 60%. But as of today, Bitcoin dominance is holding almost about 64%. So we show that the most money that is coming into the crypto space right now, they are going into Bitcoin dominance. So the Bitcoin adoption is still going wide, but we all know that Bitcoin will always lead the way of the market. So once Bitcoin start popping, once Bitcoin start booming, what Bitcoin starts surging, so the altcoin will follow. So Bitcoin always read the way. Bitcoin always read the market for sure. So we may be there for a while, but you don't have to be scared that we are down. So all you just need to do is to keep this year, keep buying using a dollar cost average, so that when the market is finally up, so we'll all be rich. So at least we'll all be doing well. So guys, the President Trump, this is from CNBC, as you guys can see. And guys, so there's something I want to say. Free VDM. So I can say that Nigeria government, they said they arrested the VDM. So and the top hashtag that is be trending now is free VDM, which is crazy. So this is the guy who has been speaking up for the masses. I have to deviate a little bit. This is the guy who has been speaking up for the masses in Nigeria. So and the EFCC so have to arrest him for this and that, you know. So which even if the arrest is not they did not even arrest him in proper manner. So they have to free the guy for sure. But if you are protesting, be careful, guys. So we all know the government, so they always look for one or two ways to oppress the masses. So guys, Trump's Trump take credit for good parts of the economic and blame bad part on Biden. I said, if it were you, for sure, you will do the same. So now President Trump is taking the good part of the economy, so which we all know that the economy crashed between about over the past few months. The economy crashed because you know this because this President Trump implemented this tariff that is been going around the world. Now he said that you know, so he's now taking credit for the good part of the economy and blaming the bad parts of the economy for the previous administration, which is Joe Biden, which for sure everyone would have do the same. Everyone will have do the same. So we have done the same. So guys, Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. You don't have to be scared. This was posted by Plan B just about let's say few hours ago. What he said that Plan B said that you know, so we are still on track. So you don't have to be scared that Bitcoin is still trading between Bitcoin is slightly low, but most of the data say that it will still be going up. But don't be forget there is one chart which I will be showing you guys at the end of this stream, which I think that you know, that may play out in the crypto space in this market. So we may dip down to between about $90,000. Let's say for example, if we break this $92,000 support, because we have a huge support between that $92,000. So if we dip down below there, so that means at least we may be heading up to between about $88,000. At least we have a huge support there, so we may bounce back from there. So which I will be showing you guys the chart. So quickly, so as you guys can see, Plan B said that we are still holding strong. This is the chart which I'm talking about, guys. So this may be playing out in the market. So now we are slightly between, we're actually between 93, 97,000. So 93,700, that's what I mean. So as you guys can see, so we may dip back down to this. If we break this support here, this you guys can see it over here. This is the $92,000 support. So which is 92,700. So if, for example, so we could not hold this support over here, this $92,000, we may dip back down to between this $90,000 and $98,000. Boom. So we have to, the market may be pushing back up to this $102,000, which is the huge support over here. That is because between this 98,000, so which we could not be able to break last week, as I said. I said that we have a huge support between this $98,000. We could not be, you guys can see that we just touch it. So now we pull back, we have a pullback from there. So at least the market may trade, we may trade sideways from here a little bit. So let's say, for example, if we could not hold this $92,000, if we pull back to this $90,000 to $98,000, boom. So at least we may recover back up quickly. So you don't have to be scared that the market is down. So Bitcoin and crypto is always here. So over the past few years, we always has up and down in this crypto space. So Bitcoin always has up and down. You don't have to be scared that Bitcoin did back down with about. We are still not even as of today. Just about a few weeks ago, you guys know that was down to about $74,000. We already recovered back up to above $90,000. Why will you be scared that Bitcoin is still trading low? You don't have to be scared as always. All you just need to do whenever the market is down is to use a DCA dollar cost average. Don't go all in. It's very, very important, guys. Don't go all in. So what people, as I always say, people come into the crypto space. If they have $1,000 to invest, they put all their $1,000 in. No, even if you have $100 to invest, at least spread it around in the market. So you guys could be able to see that that was the short which I posted yesterday when I could not be able to stream. So guys, yeah, if you have any question, drop it on the chat. So let's discuss. So guys, as I was saying, that I will be sending you guys the meme coin in the next few days. Let's quickly see this. This is the liquidation chart. Just between in the past 24 hours, we have almost about $1.85 million liquidated from just Bitcoin. From the other altcoin, we have about $1.2 million that has been liquidated. We show that don't trade with leverage, guys. Be careful out there. So don't trade with leverage. It's very, very important. So don't trade with leverage. So each time, so if you don't know how to use the technical analysis, even if people who know how to use the technical analysis, they usually dip at least be in loss. So I've already told you guys where to drop the your address, which I will also be showing you guys right now. As I said before, so drop your Solana address here, which is where's the video which I told you guys to drop your Solana address. Okay, this is the stream here. So which I said drop your Solana address, which is the market rally crypto price drop, which I already see that a lot of you guys already drop your address there. So you don't need to go and drop it there again. So I already saw it. So just once I have a chart, so the next few days I will be sending it across to you guys. And one thing is that my plan is that, guys, so after this one, after I've sent you guys this meme coin, so we'll be doing it every single month. So I said my plan is to add to invest about $1,000 to in the protocol space. So those altcoin that has usage. So I will flip it between about 5s, 4 to 5s, between about $4,000 to $5,000. So then, so people will always tune in. So I will have to send it across to them. So we spread it. So then we spread it between, let's say, between about $500 or $1,000 to few people. So we could be able to change people's life. And then one thing is that some people always tune in every end of the month, so expecting they want to get the giveaway. So guys, here it's not all about the giveaway, so it's all about the learning. So guys, so the crypto space is here. Crypto is here to create freedom. So Bitcoin and crypto, the Web3 is here to give freedom to the masses. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to create freedom. And we all know that Bitcoin is that asset that has a mass supply. And over the past few years, Bitcoin has been outperformed every other asset. Let's quickly look at Bitcoin percentage over the past few years. So this is Bitcoin percentage over the past few years. So even if as of today Bitcoin is still down, we still have about 152 million percent. Bitcoin is still up 152 million percent over the past few years. I'm not just saying that. You have to look at this over here. So we have about 152 million percent just between a decade. Bitcoin is being in existence between a decade right now. And it's been up with about 152 million percent just between a decade, which is crazy. There's no any other asset on this planet that has outperformed Bitcoin just between a decade. So we show that Bitcoin is that asset that has been dominating the market. And don't forget, even if as of today, you guys can see it over here, the market cap is still between about 1.8 trillion market cap. And when we finally have the market cap of gold, which is when we finally have the market cap of gold, which will be worth about 32 trillion. That will take Bitcoin to almost about $2 million per coin, which will show that we are still early in the crypto space. Bitcoin is here to stay. Don't be surprised if you think that I don't buy altcoin, so I'm a Bitcoin massing. No, I'm not a Bitcoin massing. So I believe in Bitcoin. I believe in altcoin. So we all know that Bitcoin always read the market. Bitcoin always move first before the altcoins follow. That is because, so as you guys can see, even if the way they are, even when they are buying right now, they are not buying altcoin, they are buying Bitcoin. So, and that is why the Bitcoin dominance still skyrocketing. So, guys, if you have any question, drop it on the chat. So let's do Q&A so we can call it a day. Evening, my man. How are you doing? Thank you very much, Miraculous. I did not see that the chat out early. That you guys was not hearing me. I will try and cut out the if I could be able to cut it out. If you are watching from us, once again, guys, head over to the YouTube channel. So just all you just need to do is for you to once you are watching me from us. So the link on my bio, which is charisco.com. So just click on the link. So once you click on the link, automatically it will take you here to this website. So just click on the YouTube. So once you click on the YouTube, so it will take you to the YouTube channel. So then just press the subscribe button. Try to make sure you turn on the notification bell. It's so very, very important. So when you press the subscribe button, you turn on the notification bell. It's very, very important, guys. So press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each time that I'm live, you guys will get notified. We'll be able to discuss about Bitcoin and crypto. So that whenever the market down with DCA in, and I will be starting, I want to start the DCA portfolio between half of the year so that we'll stick to it. We'll be able to say, oh, okay, we start it half of the year. So that is what I'm still waiting for. So I want to start the DCA portfolio in Q2, ending of the Q2, ending of Q2. So that is when I want to start the DCA portfolio. So that each time I will be adding between $50 to my portfolio every single week. Once in a week, it will be on Thursday. So you guys will see what I will be buying. So that at least who want to buy, anybody who want to start investing, so it will see. And the purpose of that DCA portfolio is for me to show you guys that the power of DCA, it works. When you invest in the crypto space for using spreading your money across the market. Miraculous. See. I can't even read that. I will read that out. You are killing me. You are welcome. You guys are welcome. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Thank you, guys. Yeah, guys, we are here to just, to grow together, to achieve a financial freedom together. That is all about Web3. Web3 is all about, moving together. So you have to find a team and be with them. So it's very, very important, which is a networking is very, very important. So who is your friend? It's not for me to, it's not a motivational thing. So that is very, very important. So it's your friend. So who are the people? Who are you listening to? So how are they doing? So a few years ago, that is what I was doing. I tried to make sure that I tune into some channel, reading an article about Bitcoin every single day so that it will encourage me. I will show you guys a video of me. No, not a video. That was some photos of me. There will be one day it will all be a story. So I know that I have some photos just between about 6 years ago when I stay in a kitchen. I was picking up NFTs. I live there. I, with my laptop. So a friend of mine took me that photo years back. So when I was in kitchen picking up NFT, so I was living then. I was living in the kitchen. So I have a bathroom there. So I have a bed beside there. So when I was still picking up NFT, so that is how I believe in in decentralization. So since then, when I found a Bitcoin, I said, whoa. So is there even any asset like this? You can invest on it that you don't have to stay with it to grow. So every time if you keep learning about Bitcoin, more you keep learning about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, more you want to go all in. I totally understand why so many people come into the crypto space. Yeah, it's the affecting a GT back. Yeah, about the VDM, Abi. For sure, it will affect GT back in as far that even if a GT back say that they did not arrest him in the inside the bank, but at least they arrest him during between the GT back premises. Okay, for sure. For sure, BTC will surpass gold. Favor, it's just a matter of time. You guys can see which is you guys can see it from this guy over there, which I showed you guys just now, Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki over the past few years has been a big investor in the gold space. You guys can see it over here. Read that for that authors. I trust Bitcoin to protect me. So Bitcoin to protect us, to protect our buy power. So that is because Bitcoin has been hedging against inflation over the past few years. So Bitcoin is here to stay. So Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin hedge against inflation. Let's Bitcoin hedge against inflation. Bitcoin is here to stay. It's just a matter of time for sure. When Bitcoin finally surpass gold, so that was when Bitcoin will be above $1 million per coin. The market cap of gold Bitcoin today is 1.86 trillion dollars. When gold market cap is gold market cap is 22 trillion dollars. So if we finally have the market cap of gold, you guys can do the calculation. That is almost about how many S for here? Almost about how many S from here? Almost about 20 S from here now. Yeah, no, about almost about 2 S from here. That will take up to almost about above $1 million per coin, which is crazy. So we finally have the market cap of uh, of gold. Yeah, it's very important. Flavor is very important. It's very important. It's very important, man. Yeah, BTC remains solid investment over the past few years. For the past 10 years, so Bitcoin has been outperforming every other asset. Imagine if you are invested $1 into Bitcoin. 2011, Bitcoin was still trading between 2011. Let's quickly see now. 2011, this was 2011. January 2011, Bitcoin was still trading between 30 cents, 30 to 50 cents. January 2011, if you have invested between $1 into Bitcoin, you'll be able to have 3 Bitcoin. This is January 2011. So if you have invested about $1 into Bitcoin, you will be able to have 3 Bitcoin. January 2011. Just investing $1, you will be able to have at least 3 Bitcoin today. That is what almost about $250,000 for just investing $1. So guys, I'll see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. Always smile, like, share the stream with your friends and family. Don't forget, Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Don't be scared whenever the market debug down slightly. Don't go all in. If you're in profit, even if as of today, try to make sure you take profit. Keep some cash on your side. It's very important, guys. Taking profit is very important. Even if the market debug, that you'll be able to buy back, because we all know that you can't trust those analysis. Most of the time, the data say that we'll be heading off from here. So the big boys, which are the way, they may decide to sell. So whenever the way decide to take profit, the market may dip back down. So don't be scared that each time the market dip back down, with about few percent. And don't forget, you are smart and intelligent. With crypto, we shall all achieve a financial freedom together, guys. So that we could be able to see each other in a Bitcoin conference in the next few years. So keep this year, invest side money into Bitcoin. Don't go all in. It's very, very important. So any money you know you will be using in the next few months, in the next few years, possibly invest money which you know you will need them in the next few years. So that is money which you need to invest in Bitcoin. So your side catch money which you did not need for in the next few years, so that each time the market dip back that you don't have to be scared. So invest them in the crypto space so that whenever the market is slightly up, boom, so you will be in a profit. Imagine just about the last cycle here. So we 2022 Bitcoin did back that to $16,000. So I was here. So our last time, between 2021, Bitcoin all-time high was 64,000. From $64,000, we did back down to $16,000 2022. So 2022, so the market was down and boom. Last year, you guys saw it just January here was still trading between $108,000, $109,000. Even if the market is slightly down today with a few percent, so you don't have to be scared. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. See you all tomorrow, guys, 6 p.m. Central European time. Sometimes I do late with 5-10 minutes. So that is why you need to turn on your notification bell. See you all tomorrow. Chaisco is out.